Hi dear, how are you? Just I am going to explain about the ChatGPT. You know that what is the impact coming and going uh, for the regarding the AI and artificial intelligence, machine learning. First, I introduce myself. Myself Mukesh Kumar, assistant professor in SMIT College, Chennai, best institution in the Tamil Nadu. So, just I am going to explain about the little introduction about the ChatGPT. See, I am in teaching field, okay, but apart from there, I do some extra curriculum activity, extra business also. In every field, you can apply ChatGPT with good and professional way. I save my 30 to 40 hours in a week. Previously, when I take the classes, like I have to generate PPT, I have to generate like a visual, I have to generate notes. So much difficult. Nowadays it is so easy. Just 2 or 3 use cases I will explain you about the ChatGPT and live. So it is so helpful for you. And you can also use ChatGPT as a personal assistant, then business, then in professional. Anyway, you can use very well. So see this is your ChatGPT interface. In ChatGPT interface, you will see the camera, photo, files, create image, thinking, deep research. Okay, suppose you have to generate like you have to generate a photo, then come to the create image. Okay, create image and write, and suppose whatever like you want to generate a link list photo, you want to generate a Newton's third law photo, or you want to generate any subject, any topic photo, just you will give the prompt. Like I want to generate a link list diagram. Yeah, you see that. It is taking time, but before that we will discuss some more concept like how can you can use ChatGPT as a personal assistant. Like one my friend asked one day, he is doing consult, he is a admission consultant in our college. He has some idea, like he has some confusion. So how can I send his doubt? So I asked the link list photo you got. So whatever prompt you will give, you will get the image. But now in comparison before that, when AI did not come, nowadays ChatGPT are also going to be more smarter and smarter. He understand your feelings also. He understand your thought also. According to thought, he give the answer. See, previously it takes so much time. Now within a second you got the diagram. Correct? With the help of diagram, you can explain in the class. So it is easy for all the educator. This is the first use case. Correct? Now I also use ChatGPT as a personal assistant. See, personal assistant. Suppose I have to tell like I have to send a message in a class, a student group, that tomorrow college holiday. So tomorrow college holiday. But when I will send this message, so a student and other faculty like things not good. But when I will tomorrow college holiday, I want paste message. So faculty, HOD, principal, understand. Faculty, HOD, all likes. See. Dear student, what the message he given? Dear student, this is to inform you that tomorrow will be holiday for all students as per instruction from the department. Regular classes will resume on the next working day as scheduled. Okay, see how the message comes. Now, how the smart message and good and professional message given. Okay, now second type also. Suppose official notice also. Correct? And okay, like this comes. How this ChatGPT change your way of communication, way of presentation. Every direction you can change. Okay, so this is the only one message, one live example message I have shown you. Come to the other side, other side. When you have a personal problem, suppose you have to communicate, you have to suggest your friend, a relative, colleague, how you will do the suggestion. So you will ask, I want a suggestion. I have to give the so you can also tell, I show you the live. I want suggestion for send message to friend serious in life. In life. See, I have to send a message. He will give the message and directly you can copy and paste. See. Not about the showing off in public, it is about the building a strong future silently with other are wasting time. How? See. This is the game changer. Like AI is going to totally changing the game. When it will not adapt, we will so much lagging. Future is this one. Okay, and you can ask other language also. Give me in Tamil, Hindi. Tamil, Hindi also. He gives in Hindi. He will give in Hindi. See how it is. Okay. So many problems AI is going to solve within a second. Now, again I am coming to the first, you see there. Suppose now many person creating a video. After creating a video, you have to upload. Upload, then they want the this full description. They want the thumbnail. Design a thumbnail. It takes like 1 hour, 2 hours like that. Now within a second you generate a thumbnail. Okay, so I just show the live. Create thumbnail of my YouTube post usage of ChatGPT in basic way. Basics. See, creating a thumbnail. You are not going to select the image side, but you are just give a prompt. I want a thumbnail. He will write a prompt. He will give the design a thumbnail, and he will give you. So mainly you have to focus that garbage in, garbage out, good in, good out, best in, best out. So be careful the prompt. I will prepare other video. I will do the best prompt. Okay, but careful the prompt and careful. See, usage of ChatGPT in basic study help. Suppose I have to create this thumbnail. It takes 1 hour or 2 hours, and not perfection also, but it gives a perfect. Got it? So thanks, dear. Okay, keep watching my video and subscribe also. I will teach in this way. I will explain all the AI application tools development. So you can use in your teaching, you can use in your education, you can use in your business, you can use it anywhere. Okay, thank you.